Ndiwe mapi yangu, ndiwe zuri yangu, ndiwe mume wangu, ndiwe kauli moto.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back today. I'm back with another house to home series 2. I'm unboxing some stuff that I got for the kitchen and the bathroom. It's nothing much, but today I thought I'll bring you a luxurious sort of video. I just thought, you know what, I want to feel like how those real housewives feel when they're doing their diaries. And I thought, so what do? Let me dress up. Let me pour some high juice in my champagne flute and pretend I'm drinking mimosa. Before we carry on with this video, I wanted to let you guys know, behind me, I'm burning 91 luxury candles. Absolutely love them. Don't say I didn't plug you. My house smells luxurious, smells expensive, it smells rich, you know, like, proper vibes, guys. Don't even say I didn't plug you. Make sure you check out 91 luxury candles. Absolutely love them. My favorite is smoke and mirrors, which I've plugged on my wall on lime and cotton. If you guys want to know what's in it, have a look at my wall. I listed all the ingredients on it. These are homemade here in UK, England, in Oxfordshire. You will absolutely love them and you will not regret the purchase. Absolutely love them. I'm also burning some Villa Hermanes candles, but you guys already know those. I wanted to plug you guys mostly for 91 luxury because they are luxurious, baby girl. So today I'm actually filming. Oh, I've already told you, didn't I? Let's carry on, guys. Cheers to a new video. Before I forget, guys, if you're new here, my name is Ranga and I go by the name Lime and Cotton, both here and on Instagram. Please like, comment and subscribe, engage with my posts. That's how we grow, that's how we can make that money, baby girl. So don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, share with your friends as well. To start, guys, I'm going to show you these salt and pepper meals that I got from Sainsbury's. One of my very good friends, Rue, sent me some money for my birthday. I was like, what do I buy? What do I get myself? I was like, I wanted to see something I wanted to remember my birthday gift with something. So I went to Sainsbury's and I picked up these salt and pepper meals. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. They are beautiful. They are to die. I feel like I'm too fast, so I'm going to pull you guys in just a tad bit. Yeah, you guys are closer now. That's better. I had to kind of pull you guys in. So yeah, I was saying I got these salt and pepper meals, and they are wood and black. Absolutely love these. These are stunning, guys. Really, really love them. They go with the kitchen. I'm actually going to be storing them on that little stand behind me, so that's where they'll be. Don't forget to like and comment if you would like to have like a full tour of the kitchen once it's completed. I picked up some canisters from ZARA. As you can see, the ones I currently have are rose gold, because in my previous kitchen I used to have like a rose gold and gray theme. So at the moment I'm kind of shifting away from that. Told you guys I'm trying to create like a farmhouse rustic feel in this open plan living kitchen. So I picked up these glass and wood canisters from ZARA. They cost £19 each. I picked up 3 of them and they are very, very secure. So they're glass and wood and they will really, really go well with the kitchen. If you're watching and your kitchen is rose gold and you would like to pick up what I previously used before, then please do let me know. Come into my DM on Instagram, message me on WhatsApp if you've got my number. Let me know and I'll be more than happy to gift those canisters. And something else that I'll talk about after when we get to that part. So the canisters came in a very, very big box which was labeled fragile. I already opened it because I just couldn't wait to see them. So I'm sorry guys, we didn't do the unboxing together, but this is how they arrived. They were in a big box and then they were all separately wrapped up like this. Very, very protective. Thank you, ZARA, for making sure that things are delivered safely. And so this is how they were boxed and packaged. These canisters actually come in 3 sizes. They have a tiny one, a middle tiny one, and the taller ones. I wanted the taller one because, and let me give you the measurements for this. Sorry, they're no measurements, but like I'll list them in the comment section below. So yeah, this is how they were packaged. So I got 3 of those and I won't be opening all 3 of them, but that's how they look from the one that I've just shown you guys. One more time for those in the back. Yeah, absolutely love these and I can't wait to see how they will look and pick up the rest of the theme. I then went to pick, well, I didn't go, I shopped online. This is what we're doing. Lockdown is so bad. All I do is shop, 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 shop and shop. But hey ho, I needed a wine rack, the one that actually goes with the theme that I'm going for. So I picked up this from made.com. Came in this box, yeah, all packaged. And so I picked up this wooden wine rack. I think it's got a name. Let me tell you what it is called. I think it's called, they call it the Clove range. It's the Clove range from Made. I will obviously link it below. This was £39, so just £49. I think it was £39.99. The canisters were £19 each, so for 3 of them I paid about 59 something. And then these were this was £39.99, so £40 for this. Your girl loves a good bottle of red, so I'm planning on stocking up for Christmas, and so this is going to really look pretty. The only downside about this is it will not store champagne bottles. I didn't really think about it, so maybe I might end up getting like a bar cart for my champagne and my prosecco. Yes, for my champagne, guys. I also drink champagne. Yes. But anyway, this is the wine rack, guys. Absolutely love this. It's going to look stunning on the counter with some wines. I can't wait to share the full look of the kitchen with you guys. So yeah, once again, it stores 12 bottles and it will have some very, very nice wine. Hopefully it will last. But hey ho, we almost finished, guys. And then picked up these Nordic clear, they can be storage jars, they can work as like a carafe, or I don't know, you can do lots and lots of things with these. But I picked up 3 of these from IKEA, and I think they retail for £1.50 if I'm not mistaken, or £2.50. I'll double check and I'll correct myself in the comment section below. I picked up 3 of these. I'm going to use these for my bathroom. For the bathroom, I'm also going for a clean yet rustic look. So I'm going to stock like bath salts. I'm going to put some, I'm going to pour some oils in here, and a lot of other things that I'll be sort of storing in here. And I'm going to store these on my bathroom shelf ladder. Comment below if you'd like a tour of the bathroom once it's done. But yeah, I picked these up, so I'm going to have 3 of them on the bathroom ladder, and I can't wait to see how it's going to look. That's the 3rd one. I picked up some table mats from H&M. They came in this box. Sometimes, yeah. I also picked up some table mats from H&M. They came from this in this box. I've already used 2 of them, and let me tell you what these are actually called. They are called jute blend table mats, and they cost £4.99 each. I bought 4 of them, and they cost me £19.99, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Was that it? Was that it? Was that it? Why can't I see my totals today? Anyway, yeah, I picked up 4 of these, and they were £4.99, so they cost about £19 something. Girl, Max was never a strength, so like, let me be great. So this is them. When they arrived, they were in this sort of pack, and this is how they look. Absolutely love these table mats. So this is them. They're quite on the large side. They're 37 by 48 centimeters, and they come like that. How stunning do these look? Absolutely love these. They go very well with like my dining table and the feel that I'm sort of creating for the rest of the house, which is like a farmhouse rustic kind of look. They also come with this jute string which sort of tied them together, so you could literally just tie your mats like that and then spread them as your visitors arrive. I always keep a string of jute because your girl really loves rustic. I'm always doing things with sort of jute in the house and stuff like that. So I picked up 4, and they were £4.99 from H&M. These are really good. Love them. I'm not sure about maintenance of them actually. I want to find out whether I can wash them and stuff like that. Let's see. Spot clean only. So I bet this is one where you really need to eat clean, otherwise things are going to get really messy, because if it's spot clean, it means you just have to be, you know, sort of cleaning them as you go. We almost there, guys. Oh guys, that's it. Your girl didn't shop too much. Thing which I had forgotten to show you guys, which I picked up as part of my birthday gift, when I picked up the salt and pepper meals was a candle snuffer from Sainsbury's. Finally picked up a candle snuffer. Love it, guys. I've been snuffing candles. I like that it can do that, you can do that, you can bend it. Literally love it. So yeah, candle snuffer. Picked this up for £8.99. It's really, really good. Love it. Let me know if you'd like a candle snuffer tutorial. Don't forget to check out the 91 luxury candles that I just told you guys about. Members, I gotta go. I hope you enjoyed this luxury house to home series 2 haul from H&M, IKEA, Sainsbury's, Made, and Zara Home. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see what I'm buying next, baby girl. Cheers to the house to home, and I will be coming again with another video with an update, and then finally we'll do like the whole tour. If you guys like, comment and share. Anyway guys, I will see you in my next video. Cheers.
Ndiwe